Hi, I'm Emmett, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your Magicard Rio Pro 360 ID card printer. For this process we're going to be using the long cleaning card from the Magicard cleaning kit. To clean the printer we're going to keep it switched on and we're going to use the menu system to navigate to the cleaning option. When you select the menu button, you'll see that the cleaning rolling option is the first one there, and if you press yes again by pressing this button, you'll see that it gives you a step-by-step guide of how to complete this process. First we need to remove the cards from the hopper, but as we're using a 200 card input hopper, we're just going to remove the hopper and then we're going to press the right button again. Now we need to remove the film and the cleaning roller. And press the right button again. The menu will now say get cleaning card ready. So if you pull your cleaning card out of the packaging and click next. Now put the smaller end of the cleaning card into the slot at the front and it will be fed through the machine. When the cleaning card is completely ejected, take it out and turn it over and you'll see black marks from where the cleaning rollers have been cleaned. The menu will give you an option to clean it again, so what we like to do is turn it over and clean it again, so just click yes and feed it into the printer. Now that the second clean is done, we're going to take the card out and select no on the menu and then back arrow to the main menu. Now that the clean is done, all we need to do is place the cleaning roller back inside the printer along with the printer ribbon. So we can close the lid and put the input hopper back. So that's it, you should now be ready for printing again. If you did run into any difficulties along the way though, our technical support team will be more than happy to help you out. You can give them a call on 0161 475 5346 or you can email them support@digitalid.co.uk. Thanks for watching.